Hey, Fixer Upper family. This is Gwyneth
Zach.
and Zach. I'm not sure if it's going yet.
Me either, but we're
Let's
gonna
give
go.
it. I think it is going.
There it goes. Oh, yeah, it is.
Okay. All right. I'm Gwyneth. This is Zach, and we're from Fixer Upper Fitness, and we're bringing you your FAQ Friday for the week. Today's question is, what's the title of this video? I can't see it anymore.
It is.
Are we open?
Are we open? Or are gyms open?
Are
Or
gyms
any
open?
variation of that question, because we've gotten a lot of our clients and members asking us if we're open or when are we going to be opening, and we've been asking the same question for a very, very long time. We finally got the news on Wednesday. I'm sure you guys have heard that as of Friday the 19th at 5 p.m., gyms are allowed to reopen with some special precautions. So we're going to go over that, what that means for Fixer Upper, and what Fixer Upper is going to be doing to get ready for you guys to come back. So the first thing is that we're not going to be opening on Friday the 19th. We're going to be taking the weekend and starting back fresh on Monday the 22nd with our normal sessions inside coming in at normal time on Monday. So was there a percentage? I forget that we're allowed to open, or is it completely?
It's 50% capacity, but we're going to take extra precautions here just because we are a personal training gym. And we're going to keep I don't even know what our official capacity is in the gym.
That's just what I was going to say. So really, Fixer Upper, because we're a private personal training first and foremost, at any capacity, even if it was 10% capacity, we would have the ability to open up because we do one-on-one. We are going to take extra precautions because of that, and we're going to go over those right now. The first thing, which is kind of the most important during this time, is that we are going to we're upping our professional cleaning services to weekly cleaning services. So we'll have someone coming in doing a full scrub down every week instead of the normal twice a month, I guess.
One deep cleaning, we used to do one a month, and then
a cleanup. Yeah, so we're going to do that every week, making sure everything is getting super sanitized. So, and we're also doing daily sanitation after each client, between each client, and that means our client sessions are going to be staggered a little more than normally. So we're not going to be having clients back to back to back to back. We're going to avoid having multiple trainers in the gym at the same time. I hope I'm not jumping ahead.
Well, you hit like 7 of our points of our 6.
No, I have not. No, we're going to be making sure that there's not as many clients and trainers together and given extra time between. So the first thing for you guys, if we could ask you, is just be flexible with us as we're calling you back to make those appointments. We might have ask you to be more flexible between sessions. You might not get your exact time. It might be delayed by 15 minutes. But just work with us as we get going.
Yeah, Zach mentioned limiting the people that are in the gym anyways. Before this, we could have up to like 4 people training at a time, just with different trainers. But now we're going to limit it to 2. So we won't have any more than 2 people training at the same time, which is still well beneath the 50% capacity rule. We're also going to implement CDC training for all of our employees so that they know proper social distancing and sanitation and things like that. So that they're prepared as well for when you come back.
We're also going to do for our employees, we're going to make sure that they're healthy and ready to come back in. So we'll do temperature checks and questionnaires and that kind of thing. We really want to make sure that you guys, the clients and members of Fixer Upper, are what is valued most and most important. That's one of our biggest goals, is just to make sure you guys are safe. And that's one of the reasons why we closed in the first place and why we closed so quickly. Is because we wanted to make sure you guys were kept safe, and we're going to do it the same way as we open back up, making sure that the clients, you guys are kept safe. So.
Yes. And with that, of course, we ask that you guys only come to your appointments if you're feeling 100% as well. It's not helpful if you're working out sick, and passing germs along to the trainers or to other clients that are coming in later. And then finally, masks will be worn by trainers during our sessions. We'll maintain proper distancing between us and the client, but the client, will not be required to wear a mask while you're training. However, we do ask that as you enter the facility, and if you're not training, that you will bring your mask and wear that in those times.
Right. That's pretty much it. So those are the main points that we're going to focus on. But do we have your safety and health in mind as we start and restart training, and that's pretty much it. We'll be calling all of our members over the weekend and next week to get you guys on the books. We're super excited to have you back. Was there anything else?
I don't think there's anything else. Thanks for being patient through this all. We look forward to seeing you soon.
Yep. All right, guys.
Bye.